Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to replace your battery terminals. This is gonna be on my '09 Yaris, but this same procedure and same exact battery terminals is for various models. I put all that in the description. No, if you get the OEM ones from from a dealership, it's like $23 to $30 each. I ordered these from EDS Parts. As you can see, brand new, genuine battery terminals, positive and negative with the nut. You see, the positive was $13.50, negative $14.79, and shipping was free. So, ended up paying less than 30 bucks. So I saved like $12 to $20 by not getting from a dealership. And also, as you can see, it calls for the Nissan, these same exact battery terminals. So as you can see, the battery is going. I did want to say these are going to be tight as hell. The reason I got the battery out of here is because these are pretty tight. These are the originals that was on here. You can see how bad they were. And they got this discombobulated because I had to take them off. And the way to do that, well, let me start off with all the tools you need. Is 10mm socket, either a stubby or a long one. You're gonna need a little breaker bar, and the nuts that's on top is 12 mils. 12 mil, or you can sit there and use a 1/2 inch. Now, the reason for that, you're gonna need enough clearance as you can. You don't want to try to break the bolts loose on top of the battery while it's still connected. You could damage the battery post and all that. So take your battery out, and what you're gonna have to do, I already did it, but basically you want to hold it like this. Hold it in an angle. That's the reason you gotta take the battery out. So pretty much like that. And then that's when you use the breaker bar. You hold this down in an angle like this. And then use the breaker bar and loosen it. While you're loosening it, trust me, it's gonna be very hard. As you could tell, the nut is so hard. Like, look how disoriented the terminal is now. This was the positive. See how much pressure it was to hold in an angle and break the bolt loose. This is the negative. See, that's also discombobulated. And how corroded both of them are. So, also, what you're gonna need is, I had it. Of course, your new positive and negative battery terminals. That's the part number for the negative, and that's the part number for the positive. Also gonna need this battery terminal protector. You're gonna put this in here, or rub it. Well, you don't have to, but on the battery terminal post, you want to put it on. I've had it on before, but since it was with the corroded ones, I'm gonna wipe it clean with a tissue and then just apply some new one. That way you ain't like crossing contaminating. But once you get the old ones off, trust me, that's how it's gonna look. Battery terminals usually last between 50 to 100,000 miles. But this car obviously got like almost 172,000 miles now. Once you break them loose, you want to get like some kind of sandpaper. This is from my Dremel tool. I just folded it in half. What you want to do is clean the surface area, top and bottom. That's all. And then once you get it clean, just get your new one. If you don't remember what was what on the Yaris, this fusible link is a positive. And to get this cap off, it goes on like that. You just lift it up from each side and it pops off. So I'm gonna set the camera down real quick so I could get this out. Actually, okay. Put this on wide angle for y'all. So, what you wanna do? Do the nut. And then put your new one on. I'm gonna tighten it by hand first. Alright, so as you see the new ones on, you can tell the difference of what the Corolla one looked like and what a brand new one looks like. Like I said, these only last 50 to 100,000 miles. That's when they should be replaced, but some of them can last longer. So now what you do the same thing for the positive. On the positive is gonna be a little different. So what you wanna do? Pop it in. And then this one goes right on top. As so. Now, whenever you're doing a battery terminal, always make sure you get the battery terminal with a brand new nut. So, same thing, hand tighten first. As so. And obviously, well, let me show you the positive. As you see, the old one, how badly corroded, discolored, and look at the brand new one. So, I'm gonna make that flush with the link and hand tighten. So, I'm gonna put the camera down, tighten it, and then give you a sec. Actually, hold on. I got a better idea. Put this down here. And let me swap it over. Hold on. I'm trying to switch the camera. I can't, but. When you're tightening it, make sure just stay flush with the corner. You want to hold it with this, hold it like how I'm doing, and then just tighten the nut back on. So now what you want to do is get the battery. Alright, so like I said, what you want to do so you don't cross-contaminate, clean off the battery post, as so. Alright. So now you want to get your battery terminal protector. Put some on your finger and put a little around each post. So give me a sec. So get about that much. Put some there. Put half of it on each one. Then just spread it around. This prevents corrosion and all that around the posts. Also helps prevent the acid from corroding the battery terminals. Kind of make it last a little bit longer. And the other piece of tissue, just clean the rest off your fingers. So now just wiggle it on, and then like I say, you can use the stubby 10mm or use the long one. Then just tighten it. Yep, wrong way. Alright. Just tighten. If you want to know how tight it's supposed to be, just till it's on, pretty much. What you want to do, you'll feel it pretty much. Once it stops turning, it's tight enough. You don't want to over tighten it. So next thing you want to do, put this back over. There you go. And then get your positive. Sorry, not positive, negative. Do the same thing and tighten it. I'm about to put it back down so I can tighten it. So that's it. That's it. And like I said, it's not necessary, but if you want, you could get some more and put it around the new battery connectors. So that's it. I'll list all the cars this exact battery terminal goes to. Like I said, if you want to save money, don't buy the cheap ones. You can buy the OEM ones for cheap, as you can see here. I'm paying less than 50% from a third party for genuine OEM battery connectors with the nut included. So that's the information if you need it. And that's it for this video. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching.